Good morning, student of class 6. Today we will study poem of English literature, The Heart of the Tree. Poem name The Heart of the Tree, and the poem is composed by Henry Shaler Bunner. So, by the poem name, we understand what is the theme of the what is the means explanation of the poem. The heart of the tree. It means heart, what the tree gives us, what the tree is doing for us, and now everything we will study in this poem. Now, read and enjoy. So, let us start. First para. What does he plant who plants a tree? He plants a friend of sun and sky. He plants the flag of breeze free, the shaft of beauty towering high. He plants a home to heaven and I. For song and mother croon of bird, in hushed and happy twilight here, the treble of heaven's harmony, these things he plants who plants a tree. And now, the first para, the poet Henry Shaler Bunner, he said, what does he plants who plants a tree? Means suppose that any person has planted any tree. So why he has planted? What are the reasons he has planted a tree? So why? Now one by one, the poet has given it. So first what he has? He plants a friend of sun and sky. That person has planted a tree that is a friend of sun and sky, because a plant to grow, sun is required, means sun rays is required, sky. And he plants the flag of breezes free, means suppose that any person has planted a tree. So why? For fresh air, because cool air, because the plant is giving us what? Tree is giving us fresh air, cool air. And the shaft of beauty towering high, and any person has planted, maybe God has planted also. So any person has planted. Why? Because the shaft of beauty, it's the tree that is very high, very high, and it's look like this, that touch the sky. It's look it's that is beauty. And he plants a home to heaven and I. And it's look like what? It is looks like that a home near heaven. It means it touch the like clouds, sky. So it means it will touch, means next to home of heaven. For song and mother croon of bird, in hushed in happy twilight. And on that tree, mother bird, baby bird, means other birds, all the birds, they are singing different types of song there, and they are just, and the tremble of heaven's harmony, these things he planted who planted. And maybe different types of birds are singing there, and it looks very pleasant to all the person. God, means the people, everyone. It's look like second heaven. It's look like what? It's look like that second heaven. These are the reasons why any person has planted a tree. Now second para. What does he plants who plants a tree? He plants cool shade, tender rain, and seed and bud of days to be. Years that fade and flush again he plants the forest heritage, the harvest of coming age, the joy the unborn eyes shall see. These things he planted who plants a tree. Now again in the second para, the poet has asked again, any person who has planted, why? What are the reason that he? It means he has planted a tree. Why? For cool shade. Means suppose that outside the sun is shining brightly. It means too hot. So on the shade of the tree, he can just take some rest. And it's helpful. You understand? Everyone, you understand that plants, trees, they are helpful in raining. So maybe it helps to rain. And seed and bud of days to be, means any bud is there, any seeds, maybe it's means suppose that any means for to grow any plant, what are requirement is sun rays, water and some fertilizers, means other things. So it is maybe any seed is there, so it will be a plant for some days, after some days, and after what happened, it's just dropping down its leaves, and after again it's looking like fresh. When the harvest is coming, now it's again fresh off, and everywhere what it looks like that, how unending joy. So these are the reasons why any person has planted a tree. And now third para last, what does he plant? Who plants a tree? He plants in sap and leaf and wood, in love of home and loyalty and forecast thought of civic good, his blessing on the neighborhood, who in the hollow of his hand holds all the growth of all our land, a nation's growth from sea to sea, steers in his heart who plants a tree. So, third para again the poet has said, why any person has planted? Any person has planted what? That they are giving us what? Sap, means the juice of the plant. We are just taking it, different types of juice of plants, and some medicine we are getting, wood we are getting, leaf we are getting. So it is all, it's what? It's very useful. Wood for fuel, for furniture, other things, for medicine also. So all it's very giving us, and it's look like love of home. Because of why? Not only one region, there are a lot of region that nature, that tree gives us, and it is gives us everyone blessing to fruit it's giving, wood is means every part it's giving us something, and not, there will be no distribution of either you are rich or poor or giving, no, it's giving its fruit what? Either you are rich or poor. So it means what? It means that it's giving us for all round development, and it's giving us by how? By its heart. And just these are the reasons that any person has planted a tree from his heart to do. Okay, this one completed. It's written by, means composed by Henry Schaller Bunner. Question answer I will give you in PDF to complete. Okay, complete it today. And now 1 minute, here next page number 36, B and C section is there. Rhyming word you have to write alteration. Alteration means repeated words, repeated, okay, that you have to do it today.